Did you know that the Pacific Northwest of North America is sitting on one of the most dangerous tectonic fault lines in the world? It's called the Cascadia Subduction Zone, and it's a sleeping giant. What could happen if it were to unleash its full potential? Would it trigger a mega tsunami that could reshape our coastlines? In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind the Cascadia Subduction Zone. We'll explore its immense power, its potential to generate catastrophic earthquakes, and the very real threat of a mega tsunami that could impact millions of lives. Stick around as we separate fact from fiction. The Cascadia Subduction Zone is a 600-mile-long fault line stretching from Northern California all the way up to British Columbia. For centuries, the Juan de Fuca tectonic plate has been slowly sliding beneath the North American plate. But right now, it's stuck. This builds up an incredible amount of stress, and when that stress is released, it will trigger a massive earthquake, what scientists call the big one. The real danger isn't just the shaking, it's what comes after. An earthquake of this magnitude, a magnitude 9.0 or even higher, would violently displace a colossal amount of seawater, sending a devastating tsunami crashing towards the coast. Major cities like Seattle, Portland, and Vancouver would have minutes, not hours, to prepare for a wall of water. So, how does this process work? Think of it like bending a plastic ruler. You can bend it for a while, but eventually, it will snap back into its original shape with a burst of energy. That's what's happening with these tectonic plates. They've been locked and building pressure for over 300 years. Historical and geological data, like ghost forests of dead trees along the coast that were suddenly submerged in salt water, tell us this has happened before. The last major event was in the year 1700, and records from Japan even document an orphan tsunami that hit their shores without a preceding earthquake, a tsunami that we now know originated from Cascadia. Scientists use this data to model what the next event will look like, and the predictions are sobering. Is a mega tsunami a real possibility? The scientific consensus is a definitive yes. It's not a matter of if, but when. Recent studies using advanced computer simulations paint a chilling picture. A full rupture of the Cascadia Fault could generate waves over 100 feet high in some areas, inundating coastal communities and penetrating miles inland. Experts emphasize that the initial ground shaking will be the only warning. For coastal communities, this means immediate evacuation to higher ground is the only chance of survival. The impact would be catastrophic, not just for the Pacific Northwest, but for the entire Pacific Rim as the tsunami's energy travels across the ocean. To sum it up, the Cascadia Subduction Zone poses a significant and scientifically validated threat of a major earthquake and a subsequent mega tsunami. Understanding the science behind this fault line and being aware of the risks is the first step towards safety and resilience for everyone living in the region. Preparedness is absolutely key. What are your thoughts on this? Do you live in an area at risk from tsunamis? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, be sure to check out our other deep dives into the world's most powerful natural phenomena. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.